Alright, so this is my favorite curb. It is not the best curb, and it's not even the curb that I skate the most lately, but it's probably the curb that I have skated the most overall over the last 5 years or so. I've probably learned more tricks on this than any other curb. This is what the curb used to look like. You can see it's still red and pretty sharp on that corner. Pretty red and sharp over there. And then this one almost has no red paint left. And it's super chunky. So this curb still grinds. It's actually really satisfying to get a grind on it because it's so chunky. But it's kind of on its way out. So I'm gonna be skating it a little bit, doing a few warm-up tricks on it, but we're gonna start switching over to this side. I rub bricked and clear coated this one a bit ago, and haven't really skated it too much, but I did skate it yesterday. So as you can see, this curb still grinds, but we're gonna try to make this one grind as well. So I'm gonna do just a ton of slappies on this and keep adding some wax as I go and get it going real good. I know, 50-50 nollie shove-its are not cool tricks. Alright, so I ran through all of the warm-up tricks, all my basic slappy, 50-50, slappy shove-its, all that baloney. So I'm gonna see what else we can do. When in doubt, more wax. Okay, so that was fun. That's kind of all I got right now for this. So the other day, a friend of mine made a joke and asked me why I don't ollie anymore. And it kind of got me thinking that I don't really ollie too often anymore. And that kind of has to do with just my ankles hurting and just becoming so obsessed with slappies that I didn't really need to ollie anymore. But I figured, you know, getting older, I'm not really trying to get better at skating. I'm kind of just trying to not get worse and just maintain the tricks that I do have. So I thought a little bit of maintenance here and there can't hurt. So I'm gonna skate the curb like a ledge, and it might seem kind of silly or goofy, but I think it might be helpful for someone who either hasn't skated in a bit or might just be new to skating and might not have a good ledge or skate park, but might have a curb nearby. So those were a few 50-50s. I'm gonna do a few crooks. It's kind of weird to ollie into a crook on a curb that's only about 6 inches tall. It's really kind of hard to not come down on it too hard and just stop, so it takes a little bit of finesse. We'll see. Like that. Alright, that's pretty much all I got. I skated kind of non-stop for about an hour and a half. Didn't really give myself a break, but I'm gonna drink my water now. I did eat my banana. So I've been skating a 8.0 Love Sick deck with Ace Hollows 33s. Those are the 8.0 size. Bone Swiss bearings. These are Spitfire conicals, 50 millimeter. And Tark hardware, Allen key, and pepper grip. I know 8.0 might sound kind of small. Everyone's on like 8 1/4, 8 1/2, or like even 9s for the curbs, but I've never really found that a bigger board makes slappies easier. I feel like I'm kind of the only guy that skates anything below an 8 1/2, but it helps me flip my board, and I have no problem getting up on the curb. So right now I'm just sticking with this 8.0. 50 millimeter wheels are pretty small, but it's working for me. Hopefully if you watch this, you got something out of that. Maybe it made you laugh, maybe it motivated you to skate. Either way, thanks for watching. Later.